Herbs are an easy, nutritious way to add flavor to any dish. There are a variety of ways to dry herbs, but one of the fastest is to use your oven. Here's what you'll need. First, wash and dry herbs to remove any dust and dirt. Remove any discolored leaves. Then, place herbs on baking sheets in single layers to help provide good air circulation. Set the temperature to the lowest setting. Periodically check herbs, as some dry faster than others. Remove a few herbs from the oven and let them cool. If they crumble in your hand, they're done drying. Remove herbs and allow them to cool completely before storing in an airtight container. You can also dry herbs in the microwave. Cook times will vary based on your microwave's wattage. Or use a food dehydrator on a low setting. Most herbs will dry over several hours. And the easiest method is to simply bundle, then hang your herbs upside down to air dry for 2 to 3 weeks. No matter how you go about drying herbs, you'll enjoy the robust flavor and added nutrients they bring to your favorite dishes. Good luck, and thanks for shopping at the Home Depot.